good for constipation. It's good for nausea. It's good for if you're vomiting, or especially for a pregnant woman. Please, if you're nauseous and you feel like crap, this is good for you. It's good. I give it to my kids, and it's good for bloating. What'd you say?
Gas, bloating. It's good to ease your stomach, you know.
Yeah.
It eases your stomach down.
And it cleans
if you have an upset stomach. The Jacobs family.
Jacobs. The Jacobs family. Hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
We're back. And today we're doing a video on asking for that I've been talking about. Ginger tea. Today we're doing that video. I know people been waiting for this video for so long. I'm sorry you guys had a lot going on. But let's get into it.
Ginger root, lime, and you can also use some lemon, which I don't have right now. You're gonna need also some sugar. This is the sugar that I use. Plastic bag, and start scraping off.
And do you have to scrape it off?
I mean, this is the only way that I've been doing it, you know, for a while, and I like this way.
So why you scrape the skin off?
Because if it comes off, it'll be all in your tea. Okay. You don't want it in your ginger tea.
So scrape it off.
Yeah. Now, while you preparing your ginger tea and getting everything ready, go ahead and put your pot on boil. Go ahead and start boiling it up. Put a
and what
top
do you put it on?
I normally put it on high so it can start boiling, you know, quicker than better. So when you get finished cutting it up, it's gonna be ready to get in there and boil a little bit. And I normally boil it for about 30 minutes. And
so what you doing now?
Right now, I am cutting the ginger up into sliced pieces, and then I'll dice them. The reason why I like to do that, because you get more benefits out of it. If you cut it up, you can get actually to the root, you know, of it. And you get all, it's gonna be spicy. Now I guarantee you, when you cook this up, it's gonna be spicy. But ginger is spicy, so your ginger tea should be spicy, because
if it ain't spicy, it ain't hitting, okay?
See what I'm saying? I have got it all chopped up into little pieces, as you can see. A little water over here, and I put them in there while they boiling.
The water is steaming, boiling, y'all.
Yep. Leave it up high until you finish putting them all in there. And when you get them all in there, you guys, you can turn it down to, depending on what type of pot you got. I leave mine, this size pot, I leave it on 3. And I put the top on it like halfway, but make sure some steam can get out.
Yeah, halfway, because you don't want it boiling over.
Yeah, constantly. Now what I do now is put a timer on this. I put, I normally do 30. So we'll do 25 today. 25 minutes. And set it and go. And while you're waiting for that to cook, what I like to do is go ahead and cut these and have these ready. What you do with the limes, you don't cook them with the ginger. You let the ginger cook by itself. And then with the limes, you cut these in half. Cut them in half, and once you cut them in half, you're gonna squeeze the juice out of it. The lime is very healthy too. I don't know exactly the benefits of it, but I know lime is very healthy too. I got me a little juicer, a little small little juicer. Take it and squeeze it. Squeeze the juice out of it. You know, get all the juice out of there. Out of each one of them. Hey, one thing I forgot to mention, you guys. You do want to, from time to time, stir the ginger around so it can really be a nice ginger tea. You know, you want to get all the benefits of it. Right, you guys, we the ginger tea timer has went off. What are we gonna do next? Take the pot, drag it off the eye. Be careful. You take your lime or your lemon. Yeah, I already squeezed it and everything.
It's in the cup.
Yeah, it's in the cup.
Okay.
What you do is pour it in there. I pretty much mix it up first. And this is good for flavor too. The lime is good for flavor as well as healthy benefits. So you take your sugar, whatever your choice is, and you put you shake some in there. You know, I don't like too much, but I like enough where I can taste it. So what I do, I'm gonna check this first. I taste it, sample it, see if it's sweet enough. You know, just sweet. It's almost there. So what I'm gonna do?
You gonna add more?
I'm gonna add more sugar to your liking. You know, make sure it's to your liking. You don't need much. That should be just enough. And you taste it and see if it's to your liking. Just right.
Guys, that is how you make ginger tea.
Just that easy.
So simple.
Yeah.
You go to Walmart, you get your ingredients, just lemon, ginger root, lime, lemon if you want to. Make sure you have a spoon. Yep.
Make sure you have a little juicer to juice your.
Oh yeah.
You know.
And if not, improvise.
That's right.
Squeeze it in a cup yourself or in the pot. Well, in the pot yourself or in the cup.
Yeah.
However you do it.
There's some squeezers out there for fruit.
But this is how you make ginger tea. I know a lot of people been asking, or I've been telling people I know how to do things. I was pregnant so many times. This was my go-to.
So can't go wrong with ginger tea when you're doing it yourself. I mean, they got ginger tea out there in the stores and stuff, but I'd rather go natural.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
And you know what?
And that's the best key.
The ginger tea in the store is not as effective as the homemade ginger tea.
Real ginger tea.
Trust me, it's a difference.
Real ginger tea.
So I hope you watch this video all the way through. Make sure you like,
comment,
subscribe for more
videos.
Bye y'all. Thanks for watching.
Video. The Jacobs family.